I don't think so, that you really know. No, you never know. What have you done? No, nothing, none. If you had known, it could not have been done. I feel I am the guilty. I feel I am the faulty. I did not tell you what was really due. Look, this is the book of God. For us as Muslims, a look of God. A book of blessings and guidance. To will of God, a complete compliance. A book revealed on the Prophet of mercy. A book which came for whole humanity. So being human, you are in it. What have you got? Just think a bit. A book of God for study and learning. A book that saves us from burning. So you haven't burned a book on the shelf. In fact, you have burnt yourself.